It's the next day and we've got a much bigger cook for you guys this time. I tell you, the things we go through for science on this channel. For this one, we've got some split chicken boobs getting ready to go on. They have been marinating in Italian dressing all day long, and we're gonna slap them on this grate here. I've had the grill preheating here. We're showing 594-ish. I have all the burners on high except that infrared burner, that high temperature one. I put that on low. So this is 2 family packs of chicken breast split. I have not done any extra seasoning to these grates. We're going to give these things a try just like it came out of the box and see how sticky it is. This is a bit of an experiment. I would expect them to stick, but we'll see. And I'm going to turn this thing down now to low. I don't want to burn anything. And this will be fun to see just how many of these things we can fit on there. I think we can get them all on. We'll also be checking out, see if it holds a good solid temperature across the whole grate. I believe we could have easily got a 3rd family pack on here. There you go, that's 2 family packs of split chicken breasts and a couple of little pieces. We're going to put those on there too. Try to put them where they don't fall in. Look at that, all of those split chicken breasts fit on that grate just fine. And there's room, we could have gotten another one on there, I'm quite sure, easily. Now do me a favor, give me that thumbs up like button for this gigantic batch of chicken on this grill, will you? Your likes, comments, and shares help the channel, and I would love to get to 100,000 subscribers this year. Let's see what we got here. Look at that, y'all. That did not stick at all. This one's sticking just a little bit. There's an old saying of cook to release, and oh, there went another one. That really applies to anything cooking on a grill. Definitely good reason to put grill grates on them. You don't get food falling through the grates. Look at that. That looks amazing, doesn't it? Just a little sticky, but not bad at all. Not bad at all. For a brand new grill with no extra seasoning done to it, I don't think that's bad at all. That one's finally cooked to the release. There we are. Look at that. That looks freaking beautiful. That's got to be worth a thumbs up. All right, I'm going to make sure everything is down all the way to low, and I'm going to let those chicken boobs just cruise right there on low heat. Now, split chicken breast, the thinner ones are going to be done sooner than the thicker ones. Once you hit 160, you're good to go on these things. I am really impressed that these things aren't sticking. I tell you what, I really expected these to stick being such a new grill, but they're doing a fantastic job. Look at that, y'all. That is freaking perfect right there. And as usual, links to everything used in this video are down in the description below, including the Monument Denali 605 Pro. In the next one, we're going to slap a couple of big old ribeyes on this thing and do a reverse sear and see how well it handles that. Reverse sear ribeyes sure are good. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down there and the bell icon so you can turn on notifications and not miss that one when it comes out. Thanks for watching. See you next time. That's a chili dog right there, y'all.